Okay, chapter 29, page 92, ingeprop, plugged in. Ek word van my kop af. Ek en Zayn maak klaar met ons klipharde gitaarriff en Bongie jaag ons met die tromme. Presies op die regte tyd, eindig alles in absoluut stilte. Liesel gooi haar hare vorentoe. Flip it, sê Bongie met 'n verbaasde laggie. Flip it, ego 'n geamuseerde stem. Ek wip van die skrik en swaai om. Meneer Marks glimlag en klap hande. Skus, ek het julle so half bekruip, maar dit help nie om te probeer klop as julle eers losgetrek het nie. Glad nie sleg nie, hoor? Liesel kug verleë en vat 'n sluk water. Meneer Marks haal iets voorskyn en rol dit oop. Meneer van Skalkwyk wil weet wat dit is. Meneer, vra Bongie. Okay, so they are busy finishing up practicing their second song, van my kop af, and everything ends off perfectly, it goes well, and Bongie comments flip it after the song, just showing how proud she is, and then they hear someone else repeat what she said, and it was Mr. Marks, and he says, sorry for intruding, but it doesn't help to knock once they've started playing, and he says they don't sound bad at all. So he's holding something in his hand and he's telling them that Mr. van Skalkwyk, the principal, is asking what this is. Julle is veronderstel om eers toestemming te kry voor julle links en regs plakate teen die mure opsit. Daar is 'n verbaasde stilte. Ons het nie geweet nie, meneer, sê Bongie. Meneer Marks bekyk die plakkaat. Dit lyk baie nice, sê hy. Moenie bekommerd wees nie. Ek het vir meneer van Skalkwyk gesê ek het toestemming gegee. Wow, dankie meneer, sê Bongie. Dit klink of julle lekker vorder. Het julle julleself al opgeneem? So they put up this poster all around the school and Mr. Marks is reminding them that the principal says they first have to ask permission before putting up posters. But he told the principal that he did give them permission, and he comments on how nice the advertisement looks. And Bongie just says thank you, and Mr. Marks asks or he says it sounds like they're progressing well, and he asks have they recorded themselves. So when you look at the advertisement of the lemon plugged into the socket, it says, Dame en here, ons bied aan Sailor Moon. Ladies and gentlemen, we introduce Sailor Moon. In sy eerste optrede ooit, in their first performance ever. Kom kyk Sailor Moon en Shakespeare. Come and watch Sailor Moon and Shakespeare. So met die drama club, with the drama club on Monday, maandag, 7:00 in die skoolsaal. At 7 o'clock in the school hall. Musiek wat jou kiewe saam laat trek. So that means like when you eat a lemon and you feel that sour feeling in your mouth, and they're saying that's the feeling you'll get when you listen to their music. Hoe bedoel meneer? Vra Bongie. Meneer Marks gaan sit op een van die speakers. Dis belangrik dat 'n mens die een of ander tyd jouself sommer op 'n kaset of iets opneem, om te hoor hoe dit klink. As jy besig is om te speel, hoor jy nie al die instrumente ewe goed nie. En jy kan nie so 'n goeie idee kry van hoe die liedjies regtig klink nie. As jy wil, ek het 'n kasetopnemer hier langs aan. So Bongie asks, what does he mean by recording themselves? And he says, or he replies and says, it's important that you record yourself because when you're playing, you can't hear all the instruments at once and how everything sounds together. So it would be a good idea to listen to the recording so they can hear how they actually sound. And he says he has a recorder next door in the music class if they would like to borrow it.